Alright, we are here for another roll call raffle where every roll call participant is gonna get a prize. Now, yeah, there you go. You guys got surprised by my little elfies. Pick some names and prizes. Are you guys ready? Yeah. Pick a name, please, Elfie, and then you pick a prize. Thank you. Alright. Tina B will get a 10% discount. Bum, bum, bum. Alright.
Thank you, Bob.
Pick a name. And little girl, Elfie, pick a prize, please. Alright. Jardy Ilmer is gonna get a black diamond shop pin. Congratulations! Alright, who's up next? Alright, pick a name, please. Pick a prize. Pick a name. Alright. Pick one. Thank you. This is Therese Bowling. Therese Bowling is gonna get a, look at this little girl. What's this?
A bear.
A bear, that's right. Therese Bowling is getting a bear. Congratulations. Bo, bo, bo. Woo. Name for you. This time it's a name for you. Little girl. Pick a prize, please. Alright. Oh yeah, it is like a present, but it is a present. This is Karine Hostash is getting a $20 gift card.
Woo!
Congratulations! Alright, pick a name please, and then you pick a prize. This one? Alright, thank you for the name. Kevin Rojas will be getting a Diamond Shop diamond painting sticker. Congratulations! I believe his creations with diamonds, right? Yeah, alright. Next. What will be the prize for the next name? Alright, prize please.
Who will it be? It's a mystery.
Jennifer Conrad wins a 20% discount coupon. Yay! Alright, next. Little girl, you might hurt yourself. Okay, prize please. Okay, name.
What will it be? It might even be a mystery.
It is a mystery until we reveal that Jenna Ahern is gonna get a mystery gift. Congratulations! Alright, come here.
Yeah!
I want the name, please. Name, please. Prize, please.
Some of them are stuck in my
Oh, no. Maria Fortunato will be getting a Diamond Shop artist keychain cabochon keychain.
Yeah!
Come here, come back further so they can see you. They can't see if you're too close. Congratulations. Alright, name please. And prize please. Prize please. Alright, give me the name please. Is that? Alright. Thank you. Raxify is. Okay, go drink some water. Raxify is getting a B surprise. Congratulations.
Big surprise!
Be surprised. Alright, I'm gonna pick a name and then you pick a prize. Alright.
What?
Patricia Gonzalez is getting a Diamond Shop Gem Cover Minder. Congratulations.
Yeah!
Alright.
Yeah!
Pick a name please. Little elves, come back here. Come back here. Thank you for the name. Pick a prize please. Yeah, you guys also keep jumping down. Angela Moray will be getting a. Can I have it, please? An artist keychain cabochon. Yay! All right, a few more names. Please stay here so we can get more names and prizes out. Okay? You pick a name now, and then you pick a prize now. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Lisa Pesavento will be getting 3 pieces of Cyber Art Vinyl stickers. Congratulations! Yeah. Okay, more names. Come here. More names. Okay, more prizes. Here, pick a prize, please. Alright. Diamond Estras will be getting another mystery gift. Wow. Alright, a couple more names. Yes, pick one. Yeah. Alright. Okay, can I have those? Alright. James Dudley will be getting a mystery gift.
Wow! So many mystery gifts! So many gifts!
Alright, I'll pick the last name.
Yeah.
Chip Fam.
So I pick the last prize.
For this volume.
Yeah.
And she's getting he or she is getting a Diamond Shop Gem Cover Minder.
Yeah.
Woo! Congratulations, guys. Till next time, see you again. Bye.
Come with me,